Yeah, why not? Righteous G-E-N-T, acapella. I got a problem with this dude named Bizzle or Bliss. He's the gospel rapper who used the word nigga in his lyrics. You should just play that hand you dealt. This is an obvious cry that your career needs some help. And I seen him in a movie. Still ain't got no wealth. You couldn't beat Why Not if you had the Lakers to help. Publicity stunt made a buzz, so Why Not is moving in for the stealth. Righteous G's closing picture striking out every batter I'm dealt. You're not the new boys. Your ass can get tied down. I know some Colorado G's with some string right now. Ready to take the beef to your streets right now. We don't have to take you there because we know who holds it down. I'm tired of the kitty sounds. If Why Not was given the chance, I'd drop some hits right now. Stop these whack cats from talking shit right now. I'm just trying to get the world to come and bump our sound. They were born to get made is the motto we follow. You never beat me, you got a better chance of maybe winning the lotto. Take it easy, flight control, because my brain's an auto. Colorado, desperado, where the little kids got hollows. And the courts don't take no shits. The cops will pull their 4/5 quick, maybe even plant some shit. And that's the way some ride. Maroon skies when the sun rise. My heart is always and forever the blizzard and mile high. Mile high, 303. I'm out.